Duck, goat, sheep, goose, rabbit, owl, and hen. Okay. In column B, you have the young ones, the names of the young ones given. First one is kid, pony, gooseling, puppy, chick, owlet, bunny, kitten, duckling, lamb, and calf. Okay, so these are the young ones. Now we are going to start matching the big animals with their young ones. First one is cat. What is a young one of a cat called as?
Kitten.
Kitten. Very good. Okay, and they have already. Okay, they have already matched cat with the kitten. Okay, so they have drawn the line here. You will not draw the line. Instead, I want you to write 1 in the bracket next to H. Okay, open the bracket, write 1 and close the bracket. Okay, next to H. H is where kitten is given. You will write 1. Okay, now next, second one, dog. What is a young one of a dog called as? Puppy. Very good. Okay, now where is puppy given? Where is puppy given? It is D. Yes. Okay, so next to D, write, open a bracket, write 2 and close the bracket. Okay. Yes. Okay, next, third one, cow. What is a young one of a cow called as? Calf. Yes, it is called as a calf. That is K. Okay, next to K, open a bracket, write 3 and close the bracket.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next one, horse. Okay, what is a young one of a horse called as?
Money.
Yes, what is a young one of a horse called as? Very good. It is called as pony. Okay, that is B. Okay, next to B, open a bracket, write 4 and close the bracket. Okay. All of you have written till 4? Yes. Okay, now next one, fifth one, duck. What is a young one of a duck called as? What is it? Duckling. Yes, very good, very good. It is called as a duckling. And where is duckling given in column B? I, very good. So next to I, draw, open a bracket, write 5 and close the bracket. Okay, next to I, open a bracket, write 5 and close the bracket.
This one. This is 5.
Next one, goat. What is a young one of a goat called as? Young one of no, lamb is a young one of a sheep, not a Elshiba, kindly please don't unmute. There is too much of noise from your side, ma. Okay. Now the young one of a goat is called as a kid, not a lamb. It is kid. Okay, that is the first one. Next to A, open a bracket, write 6 and close the bracket. Okay, all of you have written? Yes. Okay, next, seventh one, sheep. What is a young one of a sheep called as? Lamb. Very good. Young one of a sheep is called as a lamb. That is J. Okay, next to J, open a bracket, write 7 and close the bracket.
Yes, 7.
Okay, all of you all have written? If you've written, just show a thumbs up. Please don't unmute yourself. Yes, very good. Okay. Now next one, goose. What is a young one of a goose called as? It is very good. It is gooseling. That is C. Okay. So next to C, open a bracket, write 8 and close the bracket. Next to C, open a bracket, write 8 and close the bracket. Okay. Next one, ninth one, rabbit. What is a young one of a rabbit called as? Bunny. Very good. And bunny is given against G. Yes, very good. So next to G, open a bracket. Right. Yes, it is G. Very good. Okay, write G. Write 9 next to G in the brackets.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Next one, owl. What is a young one of an owl called as? Very good. It is called as owlet. Owlet is in F. Okay. Next to F, open a bracket, write 10 and close the bracket. Okay, very good. Okay, next one, hen. Chick. Very good. That is write 11. Okay, all of you have finished. Okay, I'll just read the numbers. Make sure that you have taken down this. Okay, next to A, you should have written 6. Next to B, 4. Next to C, 8. Next to D, 2. Next to E, 11. Next to F, 10. Next to G, 9. Next to H, 1. Next to I, 5. Next to J, 7. And next to K, 3. Okay, all of you have taken down the numbers correctly. Just show a thumbs up if you've taken it down correctly.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good, very good. Andrew, Varun, Kushal, Alan, Aaron, very good children. Okay, now we will move on to the next.
Ma'am, Dikshit also finished, ma'am.
Yes, very good, Dikshita. Even Alan Joshua is finished. Darun, yes, Charvi.
Ma'am.
Yes, very good, very good. Okay, now we will move on to the next exercise. Okay, now we will move to the next exercise. Turn your book to page number 17. Okay, turn your book to page number 17. Okay, like I told you, we are only going to do whatever is required for this year. Okay, turn your book to page number 17. We will work out worksheet 5. Okay, worksheet 5. All of you have turned your book to page number 17. Okay, now read the following sentences and underline the common nouns and circle the proper nouns. First, before we start with the exercise, you all know what are nouns, right? Nouns are nothing but the name of person, place, animal, or things. Anything which names an object or anyone is called as a noun. Okay, now under nouns, you have 2 different types. One is common noun and one is proper noun. Okay, what is common noun? Common nouns are names that is given in general. For example, a boy, a girl, a park, a zoo. Okay, these are all common nouns. You're not specifying one particular person or place. Okay, you're just saying it in general. But proper nouns are special names. Okay, it can be your own names, Alan Joshua. Then you have Melissa, you have Charvi. Okay, all these are all special names. So when I'm talking about Charvi, I know I'm talking about that particular child. Okay, or if I'm talking about Daivik, I'm talking only about Daivik. I know about whom I'm talking. Those are called as special names. Do you all understand, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, so now in this worksheet, what are you going to underline? You're going to underline the common nouns, and then you're going to circle the proper nouns. Okay, proper nouns are nothing but special names. Okay, now first sentence, I'll read the sentence and then you will identify the noun and the proper noun. Okay, the common noun and the proper noun. First one, we went to Delhi to visit my uncle and his family. Which are the nouns given here? Delhi is proper noun. Okay, the first one, Delhi is proper noun.
Delhi is proper noun, ma'am.
Yes, Delhi is proper noun. So you will underline, circle. You will circle the word Delhi. Okay, circle the word Delhi. Okay, and then in the same sentence you have uncle. Right, in the same sentence you have uncle. This is common noun. Okay, if they are given a name in front of uncle, then that would become proper noun. But this one they have just mentioned as uncle, which means this is a common noun. So you will underline common noun. You will underline uncle. Okay, so the first sentence you should have circled Delhi and underlined uncle. Is that clear? Okay, now second sentence. Okay, now second sentence, Neeta is a good dancer. Okay, Neeta is a good dancer. So in this sentence, can someone identify which are the nouns given here?
This is proper
Very good. Neeta is, yes, Neeta is proper noun. Okay, so you will circle Neeta. Okay, circle Neeta. In the sentence, circle Neeta. And which is the common noun here? Very good. Dancer. D-A-N-C-E-R. Underline the word dancer. Okay, underline the word dancer. Okay, now next one, third sentence. The mouse, yes, the mouse ran into its hole when the cat chased it. So which are the nouns given here?
nouns.
Mouse and what more? Mouse and cat. Very good. Mouse and cat. And are they common noun or proper noun? Both are common nouns. Okay. Okay, now both mouse you will underline and cat also you will underline. Both are common nouns. Okay, both are common nouns. Underline both. Okay. Next, fourth one. Life Care is one of the best hospitals in this city. So which are, there are three nouns given here. Okay, which are those three?
Life care.
Very good. Life Care, then hospitals, then city. Yes. Okay, Life Care hospital. Okay, Life Care hospital. That is, Life Care is a proper noun. So you will circle Life Care. Okay, circle Life Care. Circle Life Care. Then hospital. It is a common noun. Underline hospital. Underline hospital. And then city. City is also a common noun. They're not specifying whether it is Bangalore city or Delhi city. It is only mentioned as city. So this is a common noun. Okay. All of you will have finished till fourth one. Yes. Okay. Now next. Yes, very good. Okay, next, fifth one. Meeta went to the zoo with her cousin Mohit. So which are the nouns here?
Cousin.
Yes. Okay, so Meeta is the proper noun. So in fifth sentence, you will circle Meeta. Okay, circle Meeta. And then zoo is common. So you will underline zoo. They're not telling whether it is Mysore zoo or any zoo. They're only saying it's zoo. So this also is a common noun. So underline that. And then you have Mohit.
I see Mysore zoo, ma'am.
Very good, very good. Yes. Very good, Dikshita. You've seen Mysore zoo. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And here Mohit is a common noun, a proper noun. Very good. It's a proper noun. So which
Proper
means you're
noun.
going to circle it. Okay. Circle Mohit.
New Zealand,
Okay.
beautiful country.
Next, sixth one.
And he-
New Zealand is a beautiful country. Okay. So there are two nouns given here. Which are they?
New Zealand.
New Zealand and then country. Yes, very good. New Zealand and country. Okay. Now, okay.
Seventh, ma'am.
Yes, you will have to circle New Zealand. Circle New Zealand. Okay. And country is a common noun. So you're going to underline country. Okay. Sixth sentence, circle New Zealand and underline country.
ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಹಾಕೋರ ಅದೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್
Okay.
ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್
Next one, seventh one. Jane bought a lovely shawl for her mother from the new shop. Okay, so now here you have four nouns. Okay, what are they? First one is Jane. Jane is a special name. That is, it's a proper noun. Okay, which means you're going to circle Jane. Circle Jane. Then you
Circle
have
Jane.
shawl.
Straw.
Okay, shawl is a
Very good.
common noun. Okay, so you're going to underline shawl. Then you have mother.
Mother.
This also is a common noun.
Very good.
Underline mother.
Underline.
Okay, and then
Shop.
you have shop.
Shop.
Shop is also a common noun. Underline shop. Okay. All of you are understanding here, children. Anyone has any doubt? Anyone has any doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay. If you have no doubt, we will stop here, but I'm going to give you homework today. Okay, on page number 18. Turn your book to page number 18. Okay. Fill in the blanks in the sentences given below to give a brief description about or of yourself. Okay. Here they've given you space to stick your photograph. So please stick your photograph. And then you have to fill all these details. My name is, you will write your name. Always remember, you have to begin with a capital letter when you're writing your names. Okay, special names always begin with a capital letter. I live in the city of, which city you're living in? Bengaluru. Okay, my father's name, you have to write your father's name. Yes. Okay, write your father's name. Then he is as what is he working? You will write Then my mother's name is, write your mother's name and then write what she works as. Okay. And then I have dash hair. What color is your hair? And dash eyes. What color is your eyes? Yes. So you're going to fill those details. Then I was born in the month of, you all know the months of the year, right? January, February, March.
February month.
Yes. You have to
February
write,
month.
yes, you have to write in which month you were born in. Okay. My best friend is, write your friend's name. And then the last one, the name of my school is, you all know which school you all are studying in, right?
Marine was month.
Yes, so you have to write your school's name. Okay, so for today, this is your homework. Okay, you will finish all this and then you will post all the 3 pictures in the, you will send them to me individually. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children. If you have no other doubt, then we will wind up the class today. Okay?